is going to blow your mind. Your business could be at risk from a tiny unseen vulnerability. At Impressed Solutions, we make cybersecurity our top priority. Recently, a critical flaw, CVE 2024-7261, was found in some access points and security routers. With a staggering CVSS score of 9.8, this vulnerability could allow unauthorized command execution. But don't worry, Impressed Solutions has your back. We're on top of these threats, providing timely updates and patches to keep your network secure. Beyond CVE 2024-7261, we've tackled other high-risk vulnerabilities like CVE 2024-5412 and CVE 2024-6343. From buffer overflows to command injections, we cover it all. Our mission: to not only fix these issues, but prevent them. Staying ahead of threats, we ensure your systems are always protected. Outdated equipment aside, no problem. We help you migrate to secure alternatives, providing ongoing support and peace of mind. Impressed Solutions, securing your business against cyber threats one patch at a time.